We want you to understand, taking this 3-day hands-on training, that we have a promise to you. Our promise is first, that you as a certified facilitator have all of the tools that are necessary for you to run a very successful and profitable business. In this time, we know that many of you are concerned, how will I ever get my 3-day hands-on training in? But we just want you to understand, you will not be left if for some reason we are not over COVID a year after you've had your certification, for example. We are actually in the midst of always trying to figure out if this continues for how umpteen long. We have no idea.
That's the technical phrase. How umpteen long.
That we are already trying to figure out pieces in place that will still give you that experiential learning piece to your training. And this is always going to be available to you. So even if it was 3 years from now and we did our 3-day hands-on training, it's still always there, because our training is forever and ever, and our promise and our guarantee are always forever and forever.
And we always want to make sure that people are facilitating in the proper way. Like, that is something we pride ourselves on with our certification as well. So even if this COVID thing does last for umpteen years or whatever it may be, we will still be putting things in place to make sure that you get all of the training you need to be a fantastic facilitator as well. We know that this world right now is unpredictable. Mm-hmm. We're right there with you. But we do have things going on in the background so that we have a backup plan for you as well. So don't be worried that, what if I can't do it? Is this going to be all for naught? Absolutely not. We will make sure that everybody can get to that beautiful, successful place, because let's be very, very honest about, when all of this is done, people will need these programs.
So
people
bad.
need them now.
Yes.
But we need to be there and ready for them when this is all over and people can get back to regular, everyday life.
And touching.
Yeah.
And feeling.
Yeah.
And loving.
Hugging.
And having Christmas. And having so many things. So, no, we hear you. We understand your pains. But we just wanted to put that guarantee and that promise in there for you, because you will never be left. Never. On this 3-day hands-on, you will still be certified. You will still get all the training necessary to move forward in your business, because waiting for this test, well, that's just like waiting. I'm going to wait until I win $1 million.
Yeah.
That kind of roulette wheel.
Yeah.
Oh, I said it right. It just doesn't pay off. No. So if you know this is for you, you want to fulfill your purpose, but you have time on earth, do it. Because don't worry on this 3-day hands-on training component, because it's a portion of all the incredible stuff that come with your course.